how to turn on or off the app pinning on your Tecno Spark Go 1S mobile phone. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, okay, go to settings. In settings, okay, scroll down and go to password and security. Okay, you can tap this. Here in password and security, okay, scroll down and go to advanced option. Okay, you can see below. Here in advanced option, okay, you can see here the app pinning. And the app pinning is off. So if you want to turn on this, okay, you'll have to do is tap the app pinning. And now here you can see the switch button on the right side. So if you want to turn on the app pinning, okay, you'll have to do switch on the switch button on the right side. And the pop-up below are show. Okay, here the note: when app is pinned, personal data may be accessible such as contact and email content. Pin app may open the other apps. Only use app pinning with people you trust. So okay guys, you'll have to do is tap the OK button on the pop-up to turn on the app pinning. So if this turn on, app pinning allow you to keep the current app in view until you unpin it. This feature can be used, for example, to let a trusted friend play a specific game. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully turned on. And if you want to turn off again the app pinning, okay, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully turned on or off the app pinning on your Tecno Spark Go 1S mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.